Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am C. Shilpa Surana, and in today's video we are going to see how to open a Demat and trading account with Zerodha. Please note this is not a paid promotion. I had recently opened an account with Zerodha and I just thought to share my experience with you guys. So let's start with today's video. First type in URL open account in Zerodha. Once you do that, multiple links will come up, okay? So select the one which is relevant, that is sign in. Now enter your mobile number, click on continue. Enter the OTP which is received, click on continue. Enter the name and email address of the person on whose name you want to open account, okay? And you can enter the Gmail ID on which you have to receive all the contract notes and further documents from Zerodha. So enter that email ID and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll receive a OTP on your email ID. Enter that and then continue. Once you continue, you have to give in details like your PAN number and your date of birth. Click on continue. Once you do that, you have to select here the account type which you want. Like I wanted only equity, so I will untick all this FNO currency commodity. Okay, so I want to open an equity account here, and then I have to make a payment of 200 rupees. I can make it through UPI or I can do a net banking or through card. Okay, so here I'm doing it through UPI, so I'll enter my UPI ID, and then once I do that, I will again click on continue. Now there will be a link which is sent on my GPay. So I will approve that link, and once I approve, here you will see a successful transaction. Okay, so I did it. So now, yeah, close. Okay, so I'll be redirected to next step. Here all the details are fetched from my PAN card. Like this is my mom's account, so from her PAN card all the details have flown in. Just check it and then click on update address as on Aadhaar. So I wanted the address as per Aadhaar. Okay, now once you do that, click on continue to DigiLocker. So enter your Aadhaar number here and then click on next. Once you do that, there will be OTP which will be sent on your mobile number which is linked to Aadhaar. Enter that and click on continue. Once you do that, you'll be giving some permission. Give that. So you give that permission and it's successful. All right. Now once you're done with that, it will be directing you to next step, which is your profile. Fill in the required details, which is mentioned like married, not married, parents, background, are you politically exposed or not. Just select as it applies for you. And then I'll click on continue. Now you have to enter your bank account related details here, like your branch IFSC code, your branch MICR code, your bank account number, and you have to confirm your bank account number. Once you do that, you have to give certain confirmations. Once you do that, click on continue. Now you have to do a webcam verification, wherein what you have to do is you have to take a white paper and click a picture like it is shown here. Enter the code. This code 5090 is unique for everybody. For you it will come something different. Write that on white paper and click your picture like a selfie or through webcam and upload it here. And once you upload, click on continue. Now in this process, you have to upload certain documents like a copy of cancelled check or bank statement if you don't have cancelled check. So you have to take a picture of that and upload it here. After that, there is income proof which is optional. If you want to upload, you can upload. Once you do that, next is signature. So take a white paper, sign and then upload that, and then upload a copy of PAN. Okay. Now click on continue and then you will be redirected to the next step wherein you have to do a e-signature. So click on e-sign. Once you click on this, you will be directed to a page. Okay, give approval for all this thing. Now here you need to enter your Aadhaar card. Okay, so this is, you are giving some authorization. Enter your Aadhaar card number, click on continue, enter the OTP received on your phone, click on continue or verify OTP. Then your this thing is successfully signed. Okay, and then here it will be coming like e-signed document is now available here. Click on finish and yeah, you are done with your registration process. Now it will take approximately 3 days for Zerodha to reply you with your client ID. Okay, so that's all guys. This is how simple it is to open an account. I hope this helps you in starting your investment journey. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.